All right, everyone, we're halfway through this week. Welcome to your Dawn Patrol week 4, session 3. All right, so we're gonna work a little bit into the hips today. So I want you to go ahead and we're gonna start at the front of the mat, move to the back of the mat, and then move back to the front. But again, if you're not using a mat, doesn't matter, just have a little space. All right, so turn your toes out 10 and 2. You've been here before. This is that deep yogi squat we've worked on. Use your hands. Good. Exhale, you're gonna kind of walk backwards. Walk, walk, walk. Good. Bump my water bottle to the side so I don't bump it over. It makes a massively loud sound. Good. Exhale, come forward with me. Oi. Good. And if you were like, whoa, that was a lot on my knees, that's okay. Hold, hands to heart center, 3. Chest is up, 2. Good. Exhale, push down. Step the left foot to the back of the mat. Now walk the right foot over to the right side of the mat. This is called lizard pose. So wherever you are, put both of your hands inside of your foot. Exhale, left knee comes down. Good. We'll just be here for about 5 minutes. Just kidding. Some of you might be like, this is intense. Now, look at my right toes. They're yellow today, so you're going to turn them out. You're going to roll the pinky toe edge of your foot, and you're going to feel your knee fall open. Now, this might be plenty, and you might be freaking out because your hips are really tight. Otherwise, join me. We're going to bend the back left knee. Raise the right arm up and around, maybe grab the foot, okay? So I've given you 3 options. Stay in the first initial lizard, which would be a great option if you're new. Turn the knee open if you have a little bit of room. And then if you've been doing a lot of yoga or all these sessions with me, maybe go ahead and reach for the foot if you feel like you can. You might not feel ready this morning, and that's okay. You want to think about this heel coming closer towards your bottom, which helps stretch out your quad. 3, 2, exhale, bring your hands up and over. Good. Everyone meet me here. You might already be here. Right foot is turning forward. Take another full breath in. Good. Now pick up the left knee. Bring the right foot back to the center where it came from. Step the left foot back up. Good. Put the hands on the hips. Stand up. We put the hands on the hips, by the way, to support the hips, so it helps us as we stand up. Open the feet wide, turn the toes out. We are going back to Malasana, which is that deep yogi squat. So sink down. Said this before, you can always put a big old pillow or block underneath your booty here. But this is a really nice way to open up the hips to make sure the back is feeling healthy. Try to drag the hands to the heart. Take the triceps, which is the back of the arms, press them on the insides of your legs. Try to create space. 3. Open up your heart. 2. One more full round of breath in and out here. Good. Exhale, here we go. Fold forward with me. Booty up, head down. Heel toe your feet closer to the center. Step the right foot to the back of the mat. Now walk the left foot to the left. Your hands are inside of your foot. You sink the left knee forward. You sink that right hip closer to the mat. And then exhale, settle. Maybe you kind of already do some of these stretches for pre-workout kind of stretches, post-workout. And that is lovely. I love it when I see this kind of stuff being done in gyms so that people aren't just like pounding on their bodies and then not letting their bodies relax too. Good. Now option to stay right here. Option 2, we turn the left toes out. So I'm going to turn my left toes towards my curtain, place my left hand on my hip as I slowly pivot. And then stay there or bend your back knee. Reach your left hand around, grab onto your foot. Good. Relax the right elbow some. Feel this opening. Breathe and relax. Notice the space in the right hip. 3. Good. Stay with me. 2. Can you pull your right heel closer to your butt? 2. And if you don't have the foot, that's okay. Good. Exhale, 1. Bring your hands back inside of the foot. Release your back foot. You might have been here the whole time. Hold it right here. Now pick up back knee on your inhale. Good. Heel toe left foot to center. Exhale. Step up. Right foot meets left foot. Good. Exhale, fold. Now, slowly put your hands on your hips. Again, support all the way up. So PNF stretching teaches us that if we perform a stretch 3 times, by the 3rd time, we should be able to get a little bit deeper, and that should be our maybe max range of motion for the day. So number 3, widen your toes. Here we go, Malasana, sink down. Good. Exhale, relax. Now, some of you might feel like my feet are killing me here. That's the hard part, maybe getting your heels down. Maybe it's trying to get the spine to not round forward, but elongate. Maybe it's to try to press the knees apart. So press down into your pinky toes. You're here for 3. We're going to plop down onto our butts in 2. Exhale, if you can, maybe just soft plop. And then exhale your feet together. You've been in bound angle many times. Sit up nice and tall. Exhale, move forward. We're going to make it a wave though. So you're going to inhale, bring it back up, elongate the spine. Exhale, 2 of 3, round forward. One more with me. Inhale, elongate the spine, reach the heart forward. Good. Exhale, fold in with me. Stay this time. Keep your hands where they are or walk them forward. I'm going to keep them on my feet today. And then just round down. Maybe your forehead touches your thumbs and breathe. Feel that really nice stretch through your low back. Notice the sensation in small pulls side to side. Exhale, slowly rise. Bring the spine all the way upright. Nice work. Bring the knees into the chest. Make a little ball. Can you wrap your arms around your ball? So now instead of opening the hips, we're hugging them in. We're rounding forward. Maybe your eyeballs meet your kneecaps. 3. If my neck is tight, I can't always do that. 2. And 1. Bring your head all the way up. Good. Place your hands behind you, one and then the other. Let your knees do that little windshield wiper, which we've done before on our backs, side to side. Good. And also kind of massages out your booty. If your booty is sore, I feel it kind of rolling on my butt, side to side. Nice. Exhale, ground your feet. Come back to that squat if possible. Exhale, fold forward. Good. Interlace your fingers behind the back of your head. Last thing here, elbows in. So I'll pivot towards you. Make sure your fingers are interlaced like this. Thumbs down the back of your neck. Pull down. 3. Good. 2. Exhale, release your hands. Push down. Slowly bend your knees this time. Don't hold your back and roll up. 3. 2. And standing. Nice work, guys. Namaste. Beautiful job. I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of week 4. Thanks for joining me, everyone.